Hey, welcome to another video. So by popular request, I am making a video on the puddle lights that I have on the side of my element. So in this video, I'm just going to show you quickly how I did it and how you can have it as well. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with something that I already pre-wired. The reason why I'm doing this video is because one of the bulbs went out, so I am just changing it. So here's the previous wire where it kind of goes behind this the glass, the mirror, and it comes out that little hole there. So this is a pre-existing wire. I'm gonna grab a new light. These are these Cree Eagle lights. I will put the link in the description below where you can purchase them. So you can see that's just like a one Cree LED bulb, and it's got a little screw to it, and it's gonna go right into that hole right there, just like so. So first we're going to connect the, we need to connect the connections here, and this is the other side of the mirror. Let's go look like that. Another close-up look of the bulb itself, and it's got this little nut here where you're going to use to secure it, but I'm not going to be using that, as you'll see why later. So here I'm just going to fish out the old wire, right, just like so. But first, just for safety purposes, let's turn off the light. And here I'm using a wire crimper, and I'm just getting the positive and negative wire terminals out here. Now that's ready to go. And this is the end of the Cree light. And right now I'm just going to, I turned it on just now just to do a bench test just to make sure the light's working before I install it. And yes, it's working. And now we're going to crimp the wires on the side of the light. Positive and negative. And here I am just feeding it through the hole there that I've pre-drilled. And you just stick it in and you just turn it since it's threaded. Alright, now I'm going to use the pry tool and fish out that wire. Just like so. And to connect the cables, I use heat shrink tubing. It works really well and keeps everything waterproof. So I'm just gonna twist them together and just heat it up. And now it has a waterproof connection. We're gonna test the light here just to make sure again everything's working, and looks good. Alright, so to seal up the light, I'm going to use this clear silicone. Just going to push it in there. With silicone, it also holds it in place, but also doesn't make things permanent, so you can take it out later.
24 hours later.
Alright, so now that everything's dried, we're going to take a look, and this is the final product. To be honest, it's a pretty simple mod, but very effective. So you can see here at nighttime, it really illuminates the whole space around your car. And take a look at this shot. These are the front and the back are all from these Cree lights. So again, I'll link it in the description below. And thanks for watching.